Right, just going to have a go at making up a liquid culture jar for you. Now, my favourite recipe I use is dextrose peptone. Seems to get some good mycelial growth, so it's something I like using. Right, we're going to first thing we're going to do is put the magnetic stir bar into our mason jar, and then we are going to measure out into our jar 9 grams of dextrose. Now, it doesn't have to be spot on as long as it's roughly, we've got 8.89, that'll do. And then we're going to add some peptone, not a lot of peptone, just a little smidgen on the end of my spoon there. And I'm going to top that up with some hot water just up to the neck of the mason jar. That's about right. Then we're going to pop the lid on, screw it down, and I'm going to pop that on the magnetic stirrer for a minute or so, just to make sure that dextrose and peptone is nice and evenly distributed to the solution. Right, so once we've got that mixed and it's all dissolved pretty well, next job for this jar is sterilisation. Now, we're obviously going to do it in the pressure cooker. Lots of different things on the internet about how long and blah blah blah. I find that 12 to 15 minutes, 15 psi, is enough to give you a nice sterile solution. If you do it for much longer, the dextrose will caramelise and it starts to break down and goes a bit gunky and brown. So there we go. Next job for this is in the pressure cooker and get it sterilised.